Hello kids, this is teacher SOFIANE. Hope you're all doing well and most importantly complying with the quarantine restrictions. Today we'll learn about 8 idioms that will help make your language more colorful. Let's get started. Idiom number 1. When pigs fly. Again, when pigs fly. We use this idiom to imply that something is impossible or highly unlikely to happen. I'll give you an example. I think that someday I'll become as successful and as renowned as Elon Musk. Yeah, sure, when pigs fly. Idiom number 2. Cost an arm and a leg. Again, cost an arm and a leg. This idiom is used when something is extremely or very expensive. I'll give you an example. I bought a new car, and you know what? It cost me an arm and a leg. It was very expensive. Idiom number 3. Call it a day. Again, call it a day. It means to stop what you're doing because you think that you've already done enough. I'll give you an example. Oh, I've been working all day long. You know what? I'm exhausted. Let's just call it a day. Idiom number 4. Give somebody the creeps. Again, give somebody the creeps. If someone or something gives you the creeps, they make you very nervous or frightened. Here is an example. Snakes give me the creeps. Idiom number 5. No pain, no gain. Again, no pain, no gain. It means you have to work hard or suffer in order to achieve something. Here is an example. I know these training sessions are hard, but you've got to do it if you want to win the trophy. No pain, no gain. Idiom number 6. Save the day. Again, save the day. This idiom simply means to find or provide a solution to a difficulty or disaster. Here is an example. My computer got a virus and crashed. Luckily, a coworker fixed it and saved the day. Idiom number 7. Easier said than done. This idiom means it's more difficult than you think, or when something is more easily talked about than put into practice. Here is an example. So, you plan to climb Mount Everest. Easier said than done, dude. Idiom number 8. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. We use this idiom to warn someone not to get ahead of themselves or make plans that depend on something good happening before it actually happens. Here is an example. Once I get this month's salary, I'm going to buy a brand new laptop. Hey, come on. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Alright, now let's move on and try to solve this quiz I prepped for you. So, if I say that store is very expensive, things there cost an arm and a leg, cost a head and a foot, are a dime a dozen, or cost nothing. So if the store is very expensive, things there Of course, cost an arm and a leg. Cost an arm and a leg means they are very expensive. Here's the second one. Why don't you ask your parents to lend you money? No pain, no gain. That's easier said than done. This is a dead end. Or my parents are home. So here maybe you need money. You want to ask your parents, but you're too shy to ask. And it's difficult for you. So which idiom would you use? My parents are home? No, this is not an idiom. That's easier said than done. That's the idiom, yes. It means it's very difficult for you to ask money from your parents. That's easier said than done. Let's move on to the next idiom. So when my friend pays me what he owes me, I'm gonna buy a new car. So what would my reaction be? What would I tell you? The chickens will hatch. When the chickens hatch, your chickens will never hatch. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Of course, the answer is don't count your chickens before they hatch, which means you can never know. Maybe your friend will never give you your money back. So you shouldn't make plans until you're pretty sure that you have your money already. I am starving. I don't want to lose weight anymore. So let's say I'm on a diet. I am trying to lose weight. I'm not eating as much as before. So how would you help? You would say, no pain, no gain. Or would you say, with pain comes gain? Pain will be gain. All the pain is gain. And of course, the answer is no pain, no gain. If you want to lose weight, you need to suffer a little bit. You need to starve sometimes. So, there is something off about my new neighbor. He really is awesome. He's awesome. He gives me food. He gives me the creeps. Or helps me day and night. Look at him. Yeah, he gives me the creeps. Yeah, he makes me feel nervous or scared. 'Cause he looks like a thief, maybe. The following idiom. So the hard part is done. Like, let's say I am renovating the house or working on something and I almost finished it. But I'm too exhausted to carry on with what is left. So which idiom would I use? Let's go today. Let's phone it a day. Let's call it a day. Or it's just called a day. And of course, the idiom is let's call it a day. Yeah. So, I'm talking to my boss. I would say, I know I've been procrastinating presenting my work, but I promise I will finish it soon. My boss doesn't believe me. He doesn't believe in me anymore. So what would he say? Yeah, when pigs fly. Yeah. When pigs fly,
Here I made a mistake. I've repeated the same idiom twice. Yeah, when pigs cry. Yeah, when pigs fly. Yeah, when pigs stay. And the fourth one, where pigs play. And the idiom is, yeah, no, not when pigs cry. When pigs fly. Yeah, when pigs fly. So why do we use this idiom? Because it is impossible for pigs to fly, which means that it is impossible for me to finish my task. So here my boss would say, yeah, when pigs fly. He doesn't believe that I'm gonna finish my task. So when we watch the movies, Superman always does something. What does Superman do? He always saves the day. He always stars the day. He always kills the day. Or he always spends the day, I don't know, doing what. And of course the idiom here, he always saves the day. He always, whenever there is a serious problem, he fixes it. And I guess that this was it. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.